If you are experiencing hair fall or hair breakage, or if you are looking for a good home remedy for rapid hair growth, this video is for you, because what I'm about to share with you is how to make onion oil at home for hair fall control and rapid hair growth. Start by peeling to remove the dry skin from the onions. Also in this video, I'll be sharing with you how to use onion oil to get the best result for that hair breakage and also for hair growth. So the first method of applying onion oil to your hair is scalp massage. Start by patting your hair. Apply some onion oil to your scalp. Using your fingertip or a cotton ball, massage your scalp gently in circular motion for about 10 to 15 minutes to improve blood circulation. After massaging your scalp, apply the remaining oil to your hair, focusing on the end. Leave the oil for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour for better results, or leave it overnight. Then wash your hair with mild shampoo to remove the oil. And after peeling the onions to remove the dry skin from it, we cut into blendable size. For frequent use of onions oil, use onions oil 2 to 3 times a week for best results. After cutting the onions into blendable size, transfer into a blender. Add to it half cup of olive oil. You can also choose to use any other carrier oil of your choice, such as coconut oil, jojoba oil, or almond oil. After blending and it becomes smooth, transfer into a cooking pot. Add to it half cup of olive oil to cover the onions paste. Stir together, take to the stove top and cook on a low heat. Cook and stir at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt beneath. Cook until the water dries from it completely. Cook until it becomes dry and turn off the heat. Allow to cool down completely. Next, we transfer into a strainer to separate the chaff from the oil. So I'll be spreading a cheesecloth on the strainer, then transfer the onions paste to it. If this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. After transferring it to the cheesecloth, squeeze gently to separate the chaff from the oil. Onion oil is rich in sulfur, which helps in straightening hair, reducing breakage, and boosting hair growth. After filtering it, here we have our onion oil for hair fall control and rapid hair growth. This is so simple to make and also a good home remedy for hair growth. Store in an airtight container. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button, comment and share with your loved ones. Have a nice time. See you in my next video. God bless.